Welcome back to Nifty 50 Photographers. Now, if any of you have watched my video on tips for street photography, if you haven't, I'll put a link up here. You will know that I ordered a Sony A7R V. Now, I thought for this week's video, we could just do a little unboxing. I have to say, I'm totally unfamiliar with the camera at this point, so I might not get all of the ports and things right on the side. But it's just arrived this morning, so I'm very excited to unpack that, go out and have a play with it. So here we go. Now this arrived this morning. Let's have a look what's inside. And here we go. Let's open her up. Oh. Yeah, not quite sure what that is at the moment, but I guess. Yeah, so that'll be some sort of cable supporting bracket. And on this side we've got the power leads. And guarantee paperwork, accessories, manual. What have we got inside? So, strap. I probably won't use that because I use a Peak Design strap. So put that to one side and put it back in the box in a minute. What have we got next? Out. We've got the battery, power supply or battery charger, I think. USB lead, and the most important bit to one side. There we go. Wow, there it is. This is the famous flip screen. Wow, and it tilts every angle you like. We've changed the card compartment design. It's where your cards fit. Battery compartment, just the same as on the A7 III. And what do we got here? HDMI input. Like another microphone or something input there. Have to investigate. Yeah. Other USB inputs. Headphone input, and this will be a microphone, I think. Yeah, microphone. So that's it. And there, that's the camera. What else have we got? This looks like the battery. Yeah. So I'll have to go away and get that on charge. What's nice to see is they've supplied a decent battery charger this time. And the USB link. Well, there you have it, folks. Everything for the Sony A7R V. So that's all the bits and pieces you get with your Sony A7R V. I'm going to charge the battery now, have a little look at some videos on how to get it set up properly, and go and give it a try. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, look out for my video which will tell you all about my first impressions and getting to grips with the A7R V.